there guys, welcome back to the channel again. Thanks very much for joining us. I've got a very short video tutorial for you today that will demonstrate how to link words to a page in Wix. So how do you get text to link to one of your pages on your website, on your Wix site? So obviously we need to be in the website editor for this. First and foremost, I'm going to add some text. Obviously we need some text to link to a page. I've got a page that has a script on it from a previous demonstration actually on my website, and it's called script. So I'm going to link to that page, I've decided. You may have a body of text that you want to select one word for, or that you want to kind of, highlight a piece of a sentence or a title or something like that on one of your pages and link to a page. So if you haven't just created that, all you need to do is select it. Okay, so if you've got a piece of text inside a paragraph or something like that, you can just literally select it like that. Another workaround for something like that would be, you could create a link like I'm about to show you in a little box like this and drop it in and amongst other text, as long as you kind of stylize it to look the same and things like that. Usually with a link on a website, as you may have noticed, it's usually denoted by an underline. So that tends to make it stand out from a body of text as well if you're looking to make a link. Once you've got that selected and everything sorted, all you need to do then is find this little chain button here. There's two links of a chain. If you single click that, it then allows you to link that selection or that box that you've got selected to any one of these. So obviously we want to link it to a page, so select page here. It's usually by default. You can decide then if you want it to open in a new window when the user clicks it, or the current window. So have a think about that and consider how you'd like it to behave. And then obviously up here in the top right hand corner you've got a little drop down arrow which will allow you to select all of the pages on your website. So obviously I'm going to hit script like that and then done, and just to test that it has worked and prove it, there you can see now I've got an underlined piece of text which denotes that it's a link. As well, when you hover over it, you can see that there's the index finger pointing, which is obviously the universal symbol for I'm a link. And when you click it, it takes you then to the page which has got the script on it. Okay, thank you very much, and that concludes our video tutorial. If you need professional one-on-one custom support from Wix experts, then click the link in the description below. Even if you need a complete rebuild or redesign of your site, the support team of Wix web developers is here to help you. If you find this video useful, then please make sure to like and subscribe for more website tutorials, as well as comment below if you have any video requests for future videos. Thanks.